For our writing mini lesson, we're going to discuss what makes a good listener, what makes a good speaker, what makes someone a good citizen. Our focus statement says even the smallest actions can lead to big results. So thinking about how little things that you can do that make a big impact or a big difference. Let's look at this poster. Be great when you participate. So if you're participating as a speaker, you want to make sure that you're speaking loudly and you speak with expression. That means not talking like a robot. You want to have your voice sound as if you were talking, using expression, getting excited, or just showing that you're using the proper punctuation as well. Being a listener who's participating, you want to make sure that you look at the speaker. That shows that you're paying attention to them. You want to sit up and smile, so have nice posture, show that you're paying nice attention to them. You don't want to talk over the speaker. Wait until